for. This is just absolutely insane. Welcome back to another episode. We are on the road. We drove to Minneapolis yesterday in a snowstorm. And now we are headed up to Bemidji area. This is a place which is known for world-class panfish. Panfish being crappies and bluegills. We might have some perch up there too, but mainly crappies. But the thing about all of this, I'm gonna pay attention to the road because there is a lot of ice. The thing about this is we have Wes flying in. Wes shoots the Googan stuff, and we are shooting something for that free range deal that we've all kind of been working on together. I'll explain more about all that once we pick up Wes, but that's the gist. We've got 4 hours in the car right now. I'm a huge meat guy. We've been driving for about an hour and a half, and you know, you see a sign that says McDonald's meats, you better stop. You know, McDonald's, great burgers, but McDonald's meats, way better. Oh wow. Can we try some elk? Oh yeah. We're gonna have to just go jalapeno cheddar, pepper. You gotta go pepper after this. We got the meats. $58.20. That was a pretty cool stop, you know. You gotta. That was literally a limb of, just on the limb. We saw it on the side of the road. We just spent $50 on meat, but I'm sure Wes will be happy with it. We'll slap him in the face with it. Buckle up, kids. Oh, damn it. We were so close. 20 minutes away. I feel like we always get pulled over on any trip north of the border. We're gonna get arrested if you film.
All right, well, I'm not gonna mess up your day and give you a ticket, but I got you at 76, so back her down. It's 55 zone here.
Oh, 55, okay.
Yep.
Sorry, thank you so much, sir.
Get another 20 minutes or so to go to Bemidji.
All right.
I don't want to mess it up any further.
No,
right?
I won't.
All right.
Thank
you so much, sir.
How do I get so lucky sometimes? What a genuinely nice guy. What a nice guy. We just got away.
So mind you, I drove 10 hours yesterday in a snowstorm. No problems happened, and Johnny here drives the car for 3 hours. We're getting pulled over. We're taking wrong exits. He's like drifting, and there's no snow on the road.
We have not drifted once. You can't really speed when there's a snowstorm, so you could have easily gotten a ticket. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hello.
Seems herbaceous in here, right?
What's up, dudes?
What's up, Brent?
What's up? Alex, nice to meet you. No, we went to McDonald's meats.
That place is the bomb.
There's a big sign and everything had to go.
Mm-hmm.
We've made it to Bemidji. We are now getting ready to go out. We're gonna just start filming, shooting. What are we doing? Good morning, folks. As you can tell, we are with Wes. And that is the famous Fart Bart. Fart Bart this morning, I've actually filmed the video with Fart Bart before. Here's the ringtone or the alarm he was playing on his phone this morning. If you're that guy that plays that ringtone, I might just get up in the morning and stab your phone. So don't do that. Don't be Fart Bart. He's flying a drone. We're not really doing anything. I don't know why he's flying a drone. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's landing the drone now.
Disconnected.
And we are staying with Brent. He's over there drilling holes. We're staying at his house this week in Bemidji. Yesterday, we filmed a little thing for free range, the coffee thing. I'll leave that below. But we're gonna try and catch some crappies, some bluegills, something I haven't really targeted this year through the ice. And we're hanging out with the Team Yukon guys. What is he doing?
It needs to calibrate again.
Yeah.
It's all messed up.
You just look gross right now. Yo, Brent. Is he gonna fish today or is he gonna mess around with drones? Oh my God, now he's flying his drone. I hope it crashes. Are you doing that on purpose?
Right now.
Oh my gosh, it just crashed. Oh! Oh my God! Well folks, here is a drone that Fart Bart crashed. We are here in Bemidji, Minnesota. We are going after giant crappies and bluegills with the Team Yukon guys. Dudes that I've known for a while now. Sobi actually has been a part of Team Yukon, which is kind of a cool deal. So, I'll leave that below. We got Wes, and we got a crash drone.
Look at the colors on these fish.
He gave her. This is Wes's first time ever on a snowmobile, ever in snow, ever standing on a lake. And he is just having a ball right now. We just finished shooting the free range stuff. Unfortunately, I didn't even able to get to fish this lake, but Brent and Fart Bart did catch some big fish. They did catch some big fish, and here he is again. What? Oh, shit? No, you can give her. If I can just like do a turn right here, it won't tip. No.
You gotta lean.
You gotta go. You gotta give her. You were too slow. All right, we're gonna get out of here. We are getting some.
Gosh damn wings.
Gosh damn wings.
Gosh damn wings.
Gosh damn wings. Today we're eating gosh damn wings at Gosh Damn Place here in Gosh Damn, Minnesota. And we're gonna hot wings is the ticket today. 2 bites, you know the deal. Wow. First bite was just great. Here goes the second bite. On a hot sauce level, we will give it a 7. On a wing quality though, we'll give it a 9. It's up there. On texture of the meat, we're giving it a 10. Perfectly cooked, right down to the bone. This is 2 bite reviews here at Gosh Dang Resort. And we will catch you guys back on the water.
Don't film me eat. I'm a pig when it comes to wings.
Tearing it up.
This might be why I'm single.
Bart! You want crappies tonight? Oh my! Bart!
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
You made me bleed my own blood?
Holy cow! This is him. The crappie's coming at him. This is him freaking.
I'll be fine.
I kind of feel bad for what I just did to Adam. He's taking me to his spots.
Where are mine? Oh, they're there.
More Brent spots, but some of Adam's spots too, and I feel bad, so I'm sorry.
That was awkward. He touched my hand earlier too.
Anyways, we're having a great time out here, and I'm actually gonna catch some fish now. I don't have to deal with any more of Wes's, hey, we need to get this shot for this, we need to get this shot for that. I can fish, I can have some fun with the boys, and bang, my biggest crappie ever, which is about to go down in 3, 2.
So how about that ride in?
Like 3 or 4 right now, but dude, that's a giant.
I'm gonna keep him in this hole.
That's an absolute giant. Mouth closed, that's probably 14 and a half all day, dude. That's a giant, man.
I got a big one too.
Are you kidding me? Oh, man.
I wanted to keep the school here. This is big, dude.
They're all giant, dude. Man, this is crazy.
How big was that one?
Come on, get up the hole.
14 and a half. Dude, look at that.
And there's another one.
That's nuts, dude. That's crazy.
And there's more down there. Parrot, grab your rod, triple.
Oh man, one right. Look at that one right there.
Get him.
Holy cow.
Dude, this is nuts.
If he wants to run, let him run. That's only 2 pound line, just so you know.
2 pound line?
Yeah.
I'm a 2 pound wizard.
Twin 14s and a 12.
All right, let's get all these back and start drilling some holes and bang them because, wow, that is a giant.
I can't believe I broke off when I reeled that fish in. This is
absolutely nuts.
Look at this, watch this. 3, 2, 1, on.
Okay. Wes, get ready, you're next. Dude, they'll hit anything, it doesn't matter.
You just have to get that in crap. Ooh, this looks
is
big.
Giant. Dude.
Oh.
All right, Wes, you ready?
Just studs after studs, man. This is crazy.
Just drop it down.
Here we go.
Just pop it open, shake it a couple times. Oh, he's right on it.
Don't
keep
drop
it. Keep it
Yeah,
at the
keep
same level. Don't drop it at him.
Keep real, keep real.
Keep real.
Real. You got him, you got him!
I got him.
Oh jeez, bass.
If he wants to run, let him just let go of the spool.
Let go of the spool.
This is a giant.
We got a runner, boys. We got a runner. Giant.
Wait, stuck on your fingers.
I'm trying to get the blood off my hands. Trying to get the blood off my hands. Actually, no, I'm sucking on my
I'll grab him out of
finger
here. You don't gotta grab him.
I'll get him.
Oh! He's ribbon.
I think this is
I'm kind of scared about how big this fish is.
Dude, it's gonna be a giant.
Yeah, it will.
Oh.
Oh baby! Yes!
Dude, that's a pig.
This is Wes's first.
Oh my god,
That's his first crappie.
You're spoiled forever, dude.
Your
I'll
first
take it.
crappie's a 14 and a half, 15 probably.
I don't really understand the value behind this, but they're all freaking out, so.
They're freaking out, so you're freaking out.
Dude,
Yeah, right?
Hell
yeah.
There's so many fish right here. We gotta go get our GoPro.
See, do you think there's like a group of them down there at
school?
school? I should put another hole.
There is a school of crappies right here. All right, Wes, I need to take a picture. No! I lost some.
Some pictures of you holding it.
Oh, wait, look at this. Watch this, watch this. I lost him in the hole and I just grabbed him.
He just floated up to the top.
Oh my god, dude.
3, 2, wide. Did that a little early, but watch this. On. This is a better fish. Better fish.
Look at your deucer out.
Holy cow. This is insane.
Yeah.
One of us is gonna get a bomb.
There's like 9 more of them down there waiting for you. That's the best part.
And they're choking.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
That's
probably one of the biggest crappies I've ever caught. Definitely my biggest fish through the ice, crappie wise. Let's take it.
Yeah, 13 and a quarter, 13 and a half.
It's too addicting to sit here and not just drop down right away after you catch a 13.5-inch crappie. You want to get back down there. This is a freaking epic bite.
Dude, this is nuts, man. It's one after another.
Whoa. Is this a crappie?
Gotta be.
This thing hit it so weird. But we had to drill a bunch of holes. We didn't even fish until we just saw literally a Christmas tree down there. Oh my gosh, this could be big. This could be little. Oh, come on. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. No. But it's weird, this fish, I mean, when you say that's not a good one. Something's wrong.
What is it, 13 and it's not a good one?
Oh, that's bigger. That's a big one. Very good. That's bigger.
Pretty vocal when it comes to that.
Oh my gosh, this is so much fun.
Look at how deep.
You just look down there and you wait to see. Oh my gosh! To see a pancake like that come up and just toss them right back so you can get down there.
You gotta show him to me a little bit, Johnny. He was like, we're up, and he's right back down there. Goodbye.
What's this guy saying?
I don't know.
You gotta show him to me.
Don't worry, if you throw them back, they'll probably sit in the hole.
Yeah, that's what that one just did.
Good one, dude. Look at the tail on that one.
One of the biggest crappies I've ever caught. Definitely my biggest fish through the ice, crappie wise.
Just studs after studs, man. This is crazy.
All right, so Peric lost his wallet, what, yesterday? Right? I feel like every time I see Peric, he loses his wallet, at least twice a day. So we found his wallet, and we're gonna play a little trick on him. All right, I'm on.
Fish!
I got one.
Fish!
Peric, come here. Grab the transducer. Grab the transducer.
Jesus, what are you fishing for?
He doesn't even notice. He doesn't even notice.
Well, that was wild.
This thing is soaked.
He thought it was in my trash can.
Where'd you find it?
I've been freaking out all day about my wallet, and I guess Wes found it, and they just played a trick on me. Hey guys, Alex here. We're gonna be ending the episode now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks to these guys for taking me out here, teaching me about basing crappies. This lucky mother got a almost 15-inch crappie. Now, have you ever caught a crappie before?
Dude.
I don't think so.
He catches an almost 15-inch crappie. His first crappie ever, first fish through the ice, and it's just an amazing day out here. So check out Team Yukon's YouTube channel. These guys have teamed up, and that's actually how I met Sam, was through Adam. And Sam used to film for Team Yukon, so they've got some awesome stuff, ice fishing of course, and open water, geese hunting, bunch of cool things. So check it out below, and we will catch you guys tomorrow. Wes is actually leaving us, so I'm gonna miss you, bud.
I don't miss you. I'm just kidding, I'll miss him.
And we are all going after a different bite tomorrow. So thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys next time.